What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage, man. We are back with another video, man. We're going strong in 2021, and today's video is very special. This is sponsored by the Legit app. Legit check all your favorite sneakers, the luxury handbags, and of course the streetwear like Supreme, Bape, and all that good stuff. But today in this video, I will be legit checking my Air Jordan 5 Off-Whites. You guys know I bought these from the GOAT app, but I still want to go that extra mile to make sure my sneaker is legit. You cannot go wrong with that. There's been a huge problems with replicas getting through other big, sellers and stuff like that, like eBay and of course StockX. And like I said, with the Legit app, you can get another set of eyes to legit check your favorite sneakers, handbags, and streetwear. If you use my link down below, my referral code, The Vintage World, you can get a free authentication on your sneakers. So make sure you go ahead and download the Legit app right now to get your sneakers authenticated, man. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need everybody to do right now is hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss any other video that drops on the channel. Trying to help you guys out all year long, man. Make sure you guys don't get scammed with no fakes. Make sure you guys are getting top dollar for whatever sneakers you're selling. That's what we're gonna try to do in 2021. Please leave a huge like on this video. To go for every video is 400 likes. And head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World, link down below in the description box. And me and the Legit app do have a giveaway coming very soon, so make sure you stay tuned by having the notification bell on right now. So all that out of the way, man, let's go ahead and do a quick little walkthrough over the app. Let's go ahead and legit check these Air Jordan 5 Off-Whites. All right, guys, I'm pretty much walk you through what the Legit app does real quick before we go through the whole process of legit checking these. So all you have to do is download the mobile app on, if you got Apple or Android, go to your Play Store or the Apple Store, choose a category, whatever you're trying to legit check. Click the brand, click the model, whatever you got, and then that's where you can select the turnaround time. It's from 1 hour all the way up to 12 hours of turnaround to get your item authenticated. And on the app, you need to get your legit tokens whenever you're authenticating something on the app. It says follow the photo instructions to submit required photos, double authentication process, and get authentication results. It's gonna give you the result of authentic or replica, and it's gonna give you like some little guidelines and stuff like that as far as the replica side of the thing. If you do get a replica, the authenticator will state what's wrong with it and stuff like that. So it's not just steering you wrong, it's gonna tell you exactly what's wrong with the sneaker. And they will give you ratings to replica level, man. So it's different levels to this replica thing. Like I said, it's been a lot of fakes getting through StockX and stuff like that. It's all over the internet and especially on eBay. So that's why the Legit app is very clutch for us sneakerheads out there today. So like I said, if you're already interested in getting your sneakers legit checked, go ahead and download the Legit app right now. Use my code, The Vintage World, get you a free sneaker authentication. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and screen record this entire process, so you can see what I'm doing the entire process. This should be very simple. Let's go ahead and get right into it, man. So as you can see, I have 50 legit token balance. So that's where you can, use to legit check whatever sneakers you want. I'm not sure on how much it costs to legit check one. So like I said, we're about to go through that entire thing right now. So it's a button at the bottom that says start. We're gonna click that. We're gonna choose a category, which is sneakers, of course. This is very simple. This is very easy to use. It goes from Adidas to Air Jordan, Asics, Bape, Converse, Fear God, Fila, Hoka, I think that's what it is, Li-Ning, that's D-Wade's brand, Mason Margiela. You got a bunch of different brands on here that you can go ahead and legit check. So go ahead and click on Air Jordans since we do have the clean Air Jordan 5s. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and click on the Jordan 5. We're gonna do a 3 hour or less legit check, which is only 3 legit tokens, man. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let's get that real quick. So we're going to go ahead and do the photos. Required photos is exterior, outer, exterior, inner. You guys see it on the screen record and put up over here so you can check it out. So let's go ahead and take these photos of the sneaker, man. So, all right, so we're going to do the left shoe like that. Go ahead and take a picture of the right shoe. Yep, keep that photo. Use that one right there. Next, let's take a picture of the right heel back. Just take a picture of that right there real quick. Check that out. The outsole of the right sneaker, which is very simple. Take an insole of the top right. So let's go ahead and take the insole out of these guys real quick. Golly, I didn't think it was gonna be this hard to take the insole out. Let's get that out real quick. Okay, so now they want a picture of the top of the right insole, which is right here. Let's get that real quick. And now they want a picture of the bottom right insole. Take that. Then they want the picture of the interior sewing, which is right here on the right sneaker. So let's go ahead and get that photo real quick. There we go. And then they want an inside, a picture of the inside label. Right. Okay, let's get that photo. it's hard to get those, like, even when you gotta take pictures for the GOAT app, you know, for the tag, it's kind of hard, but you know, I kind of figured out a little trick to do that. So let's go ahead and get that picture real quick. Okay, next it says take a picture of the front of the right tongue. So let's go ahead and get that photo real quick. Take that out the way. Blam, blam, check it out. And then the back of the right tongue. So after you take all the pictures, you have to take out the insole, you have to take a picture of the tongue, the back of the tongue, the inside of sewing, the outsole, and all of that. All you have to do is submit it. There's some additional photos you can also use, which is the entire left sneaker. So the same thing you did with the right shoe, it tells you can do that optionally for the other sneaker. So you put in the product code if you want to, the product source, where you got it from, how much you paid for it and stuff like that. And if you want to put any notes to the person authenticating the sneaker today. So go ahead and hit continue because we put all of the pictures in. You can see legit app authentication service, 3 legit tokens, subtotal 3 legit tokens, promo code, enter that. So when you guys get to this step right here, you're going to use the code The Vintage World so you can get a free authentication, man. So it's gonna be on your boy. Go ahead and download the legit app right now to legit check your sneakers. Let's go ahead and confirm and pay. Check it out, and we're gonna see how everything goes. We're gonna see how fast it goes, and whenever the results come back, I'm gonna let you guys know, are these Air Jordan 5 Off-Whites legit or are they replicas, man? Stay tuned for that. I'll let you guys know what just happened. They sent me a message within like 15 minutes after I stopped recording telling me to take pictures of the left shoe. I thought it said optional, but it said additional photos needed or requested. So they sent it back. They said they need the inside, the bottom, they need the inside label and exterior, interior, you know, all that good stuff, the tag and stuff like that. So we did that. We got the left shoe right here. The photos are submitted. So now we're gonna wait for the results and see what happens, man. It's about to get real juicy, y'all. All right, guys, the results are finally in, and yeah, man, I can't believe it. The GOAT app sold me some authenticated motherfucking Off-White 5s, man. Your boy just used the legit app, and I got my Air Jordan 5 Off-Whites legit check. They are 100% legit, 100% authentic. Shouts out to the GOAT app, and shouts out to the legit app for that second set of eyes. Right now, click the link down below. Use my referral code, The Vintage World. Get you a free sneaker authentication on me. You feel me? This is from me to you. Happy New Year's gift to y'all. We're going crazy in 2021, man. So like I said, Air Jordan 5 Off-Whites after some additional photos of the insole, the box, you know, the inside of your sneaker and all that stuff. I even sent a picture of my tag, the Off-White tag. They're 100% legit, man. So like I said, link down below. Go download that legit app right now and make sure your sneakers are legit. I appreciate everybody for pulling up to this video. It was a crazy, wild, long video. After picture, it all makes sense at the end because they need to see all these different pictures, you know, to make sure your sneakers are legit. They're trying to legit check them through photos. That's kind of hard to do, but all the photos they ask for, they get you right 100% to go. Let you know if your stuff is real or if it's fake. And like I said, today, these joints is real. Subscribe right now, ring notification bell for your boys and never miss any other video. Please leave a huge like on this video. This is my first time ever legit checking my sneakers using this app, and I'm happy I can give back to you guys a free sneaker authentication, man. So like I said, download it right now. Link down below in the description box. Head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. Be linked down below in the description box. We have a giveaway coming very, very soon. So make sure you guys pull up to every single video to get notified what's happening on the channel. I appreciate everybody for pulling up. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Like I said, please use that app. Make sure your sneakers are legit. You get a free one on me. So go down below, click that link, use the code The Vintage World. We got some more fire content coming. We got an early unboxing coming to you very soon. Make sure you pull up to that thing, man. We got some dope content coming. I need all y'all to pull up, bruh. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.